Hey everyone! Do you find yourself craving more food during winter? Winter has a way of making us feel sluggish, and our bodies need different fuel to thrive in the colder months. We're going to explore some awesome foods that will not only nourish your body, but also make those chilly days a little bit brighter. Let's start with a winter favorite: root vegetables. Think about hearty choices like sweet potatoes, carrots, and parsnips. These underground wonders are nutritional powerhouses, packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. They give you natural, slow-releasing energy, keeping you full and warm for longer. So next time you're planning a meal, throw some of these winter gems in the oven or add them to your favorite soup recipe. Now, we can't forget whole grains. Oats, quinoa, barley. These are all fantastic choices that not only keep you full, but also provide steady energy. Imagine waking up on a chilly winter morning and starting your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries and a drizzle of honey. Or how about a hearty quinoa salad packed with roasted vegetables and a tangy lemon dressing for lunch? Embrace the comforting power of whole grains this winter and experience the difference they can make in your energy levels and overall well-being. Ever notice that some foods seem to warm you up from the inside? Spices like ginger, cinnamon, and turmeric actually increase your body's circulation, helping you feel warmer. Adding a pinch of cinnamon to your coffee or ginger to your tea can make a real difference. Imagine sipping on a warm cup of ginger tea on a chilly evening. These spices are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory benefits, which means they're also helping your body recover faster after those tough winter workouts. So go ahead, experiment with different spices in your cooking and drinks. Now, don't shy away from healthy fats. Foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and even a bit of olive oil give you that satisfying fullness, help maintain your body heat, and are great for your skin. Think of it this way: healthy fats are like building a cozy fire in your belly. Isn't there something comforting about a warm avocado toast topped with a sprinkle of chili flakes for a little kick? Or how about a sprinkle of roasted nuts over a hot winter soup? Embrace the good fats this winter and experience the difference they can make in your energy levels, skin health, and overall well-being. And finally, one last thing that often gets overlooked in winter: hydration. Just because we don't feel as thirsty doesn't mean our bodies need less water. Dehydration can sneak up on us in the cold, leaving us feeling tired and sluggish. So how can you stay hydrated during the winter months? Keep a warm herbal tea on hand, or even some hot water with lemon. It's hydrating and warming. You can also opt for soups and broths, which contribute to your fluid intake while providing warmth and nourishment. Remember, staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining energy levels, supporting digestion, and keeping your skin looking its best, even during the dry winter months. And there you have it. Winter nutrition tips to keep you warm, energized, and on track with your health and fitness. It's all about making smart choices that nourish your body and make you feel your best, even when it's cold outside. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching. Stay warm, stay energized, and I'll see you in the next video.